Bon appetit, freaks. We are here at Havana Moon, located on the premises of the Vidanta Resort. We're staying in the Mayan Palace. It's a separate resort within the Vidanta. We're at Havana Moon. It popped up on the best restaurants in the area, so we decided to check it out. Like, we are literally 10 feet from the beach. You can literally hear the ocean in the background. Like, it's awesome. It's a great experience. Like, you know, this is dinner time, so we kind of winding down for the day. Probably gonna check out the beach a little bit at night, see what it look like, and that's about it. Just do me that favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, so you stay up to date with the videos that we're dropping every single Wednesday, 7 p.m. Eastern time, regardless if we are at home, not at home, traveling, on the road, in the streets. We here in Mexico, baby. Get happy. We are ready to order. So let me get the skirt noodles.
Anything else for you?
No, that's it. I got my Negroni drink. Got this because I need a little boost right now. We've had a long day. We've been up since early o'clock in the morning, and we've been doing so much, working so hard to bring you these fabulous videos so you can enjoy, so you could be knowledgeable about our experience in Playa del Carmen and in the Maya Riviera. And we've just been working really hard, man. So y'all could be informed of these places that you could visit and that you could enjoy just like how we are enjoying it. So let's taste this Negroni. He said it's the strongest drink that they got. So I'm about to find out. Cheers. Oh yeah. Woo-wee. It leaves an aftertaste in your mouth. I don't know why. Hold up. I'm about to tell y'all what's in it right now. Jimbra, Tanqueray, Campri, and Vermont Rosso. I have the slightest clues as to what those are whatsoever. Like I said, small disclaimer, I'm not a professional. I'm just a regular guy going out here experiencing these different places just like anybody else. A regular old Joe coming out to these places, then learned all these life hacks so I could be able to make it to these places without going broke. Y'all need to get there. Shoot, chat with me on the comments. Whatever you want to know, whatever you inquire about, I'm open to it all. I love sharing the information I have with other people. Let me see what that daiquiri tastes like. That tastes horrible. See this daiquiri? It got an upside down heart. A Miami Vice. Oh my goodness. I highly suggest the Miami Vice. So we're gonna jump into these breads. It's like several different breads. This restaurant is themed after Havana. Havana is located in Cuba. Cuba is only an hour and 10 minutes away from Cancun. If I had knew these fun facts already, I probably would have visited Cuba. So I don't know what this is, but it's really, really soft. And it's like some dried tomatoes on it, Parmesan cheese, basil, and oregano on the top of it. Oh my goodness. It literally like melts in your mouth. And then you professionals out there watching this video, let me know what you think. What is this? It's a bread, I know that, but drop the professional name for me. But it's good too. This isn't as good as the other bread, But this one is soft too. Really soft in the middle. So they brought us some salad and some ranch dressing. The ranch dressing is warm. It's crazy because I like warm salad dressing. This salad looks nice and fresh. Oh yeah. It's a real good salad. Even though it's plain, they got onions in it and stuff. And you can tell it's fresh. Enchilado shrimp with rice. The plate is very hot. And this is strict steak over noodles. So bon appetit, freaks, the food is here. Yes, so I'm excited. We're gonna jump into the shrimp right quick because they look very scrumptious. Make sure they don't have any shell. So, right off the bat, to me, these shrimps taste more Cajun, if anything. The Spanish flavor to it. Maybe it's just me. You know, I've never really eaten any Cuban food. I've eaten Cuban breakfast before, but maybe this is what Cuban food actually tastes like. It might be influenced by, or maybe Louisiana was influenced by Cuba. That's why it tastes kind of Creole. So we got Italian ham, we got Cuban / Creole right there, and we got a little Asia right here. Let's see what this steak tastes like. Okay. So this is like the intercontinental dinner, if I may say. Okay, that sauce. It's like a soy type sauce in there. See the sauce? It's not no full one-on-one, but it's in a league of its own. It tastes real good though. Like I said, none of the restaurants that's on this resort has really let me down. They have been exceptionally good. My question is, if you don't stay on the resort, can you come to these restaurants? That would be something good to find out. So the meal was awesome. It was really, really good. It was astonishing. We put in our order for the dessert and it is on the way. But do me a favor while you wait and while I wait, make sure if you're liking this video, make sure you like it. And if you love this video, make sure you subscribe. And if you want to see more of our content and more of these fabulous places to eat all over the world, the nation, we international now. We in Mexico, baby. Mexico. That's where we at. You go ahead and you hit that notification button and you hit all. When you hit that notification button, when you see that little thing drop, you hit all and you will be up to date with everything that we're coming out with, all the content. When we start doing lives, when we start doing Q&As, all of that. So it's layers and layers and layers and layers of crepeness. And it's strawberries and mangoes on top of it. And this ice cream is dulce leches. So it looks like a slice of heaven. Okay. It tastes real tortilla-ish, like everything else here. It has that tortilla flavor. The ice cream is awesome. And they got like pie crust crumbled around it. I like that. I really like the ice cream. My only advice with this is just hard. So oh, so there's apple in the middle. I mean, banana in the middle. So if you really want to know what real bananas taste like, you gotta come down here. Petite food freaks, this is it. The moment that you've been waiting for, my honest review. I would rate this a 4.5. Yeah, 4.5. The only thing that kind of threw me off was the dessert, and that was it. The food was good. The service was great. The environment is awesome. The bathrooms got AC. Can't beat that. And in Mexico, you really need bathrooms with AC. Trust me, it's smart. Outside of that, like, the food was really good. Like, it was different, especially the shrimp. The shrimp was most definitely different. The steak on the noodles was awesome. Real soft, real tender. Real excellent, man. Like the steak on the noodles kind of reminded me of somewhere. I'll flash the place that it reminds me of, because I'll probably figure it out by then, and I'll flash it right up here somewhere. But yeah, it's a good vibe. It, like, all the restaurants at this resort has really shocked me, because they step the game up. Like, it's not trash. They don't come half-stepping, like, you gonna get your money's worth. So yeah, let's hope that you come to this resort and you enjoy yourself. But this restaurant here, Havana Moon, gets the Bon Appetit certified stamp of approval. With that being said, make sure you like if you like it. If you love it, subscribe. And if you want to see more of these fabulous restaurants, extravagant, extraordinary destinations, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit all, so you can see us explain to you if this restaurant is a go or a no. And this restaurant, Havana Moon, is a go. So let's go. Till next time, bon appetit, food freaks. See you later.